Are manual testing processes slowing you down? Are you tired of the time-consuming and error-prone manual testing and QA automation processes in your software development lifecycle? Discover how Pronixa's AI-driven QA automation testing solutions can revolutionize your approach to testing. Why choose Pronix Inc's AI-driven QA testing? Accelerate testing efforts. With Pronix, automate repetitive test cases and accelerate testing processes. Our AI-powered QA automation solutions free up valuable time, allowing your team to focus on critical aspects of software development. Improve accuracy. Harness the power of AI to identify potential defects and bugs with unmatched precision. Our intelligent algorithms detect issues early on, ensuring a higher level of accuracy in your testing procedures. Faster time to market. Speed matters in today's competitive landscape. With Pronixa's AI-driven QA testing automation solutions, deliver high-quality software faster, gaining a significant edge in time-to-market metrics. Key benefits of our AI-driven QA testing automation solutions. Cost reduction. Say goodbye to excessive manual testing costs. Pronixa's AI-driven QA automated solutions streamline the testing process, reducing overheads and optimizing resource allocation. Enhanced product quality. By identifying bugs faster and improving test coverage, our AI-driven QA testing automation ensures that your software meets the highest standards of quality before deployment. Competitive edge. Stay ahead of the competition with Pronixa's advanced testing solutions. By leveraging AI technology, outpace competitors and establish your brand as a leader in software innovation. Business use cases for enterprise. Scalable testing for large enterprises. For large enterprises with complex software systems, Pronixa's AI-driven QA testing provides scalable solutions that can handle extensive testing requirements across multiple projects and teams. Compliance and regulatory testing. Ensure compliance with industry standards and regulatory requirements through comprehensive testing with Pronixa's AI-driven QA testing automation solutions, minimizing the risk of costly compliance issues and penalties. Continuous integration and delivery. Integrate Pronixa's AI-driven QA testing automation seamlessly into your continuous integration and delivery pipelines, enabling faster and more reliable software releases with automated testing at every stage. Ready to transform your testing process? Contact us now to learn more about our AI-driven QA testing automation solutions and take the first step towards software excellence. Visit at pronixinc.com for your AI journey today.